Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this cute little mini hat that you can hang from your Christmas tree. And all you need is a toilet paper tube, napkin tube, some sort of cardboard tube, a piece of cardboard, some yarn in any color you like, and some scissors. So first thing you need to do is take your toilet paper tube and smush it and then cut it into pieces. You can usually get about 6 rings out of one toilet paper tube, depending on how many of these mini hats you want to make. So then you cut that off and then you put them or rearrange them back into circles. So then you take one of your paper tubes per hat. Okay, so now you need a piece of cardboard. This is about 6 inches or so. And this is to make it easier to cut your strips of yarn, because rather than you can do each one individually if you want, it's much easier to do them all at once. So take your yarn and wind it around your piece of cardboard. You need approximately 30 pieces of yarn to make this little hat. So you might need more if you have thinner yarn, or you might need less if you've got a bit thicker. So you wind it around your piece of cardboard about 30 times, and then take your scissors and just cut the yarn like so, and then cut the end of your yarn here. And then you can set the cardboard and the yarn aside, and then now you've got your strips of yarn and your cardboard piece. So all you need to do is tie them around your piece of cardboard. So to do that, you take your piece of yarn, you fold it in half, then you put the looped part through the cardboard tube. So you have the looped end here, and then you take the two ends and put them through the loop and pull it tight. Don't pull it so tight that you rip the cardboard. So you just keep doing that until you've got it all the way around your cardboard tube. And like I said, if you've got thicker yarn, this goes a lot faster and you need less. It can be kind of time consuming if you've got some thin yarn, but it's still usually a pretty quick craft. So now that, I guess we can fit one more in there. So all you're doing is folding your piece of yarn in half, putting the looped end through the cardboard ring and the two ends through your loop and pulling it tight. So now you've pulled all of your strings tight. Just go back and make sure that they are all pulled nice and tight, but not so hard that you rip the cardboard. And now we need to create the brim of our hat. So to do that, you take all of your threads here and you push them through the cardboard ring, like so, and then pull them all out. And now you've got the brim, or whatever you want to call it, the folded up part of your little hat around here. And now to finish it off, you just need to take one of your pieces of thread that you've got left over and tie it around about the middle of your strings here, and just tie a simple knot in it. And there's the hat. So we're going to tie a little knot, and then this can also be the loop for your ornament to hang it on the tree. So just tie a knot in the end of your piece of yarn like that. Pull it tight so it's not going to come apart, and that did come apart. So we'll just try that again. Okay, so that's pulled tight, and we'll cut off the ends here. And then you've got your little hat here. So you can leave it like this if you want, so that it's like kind of spiky little hat, or you can trim it down so it looks more like a pom-pom like this one. And that's all there is to it. Now you've got a little hat that you can hang as a tree ornament on your Christmas tree. Thanks. Bye.